I'm doing this small video to present you the filter that I bought on Amazon yesterday for my fish tank, and it's a Eheim Pickup 200. So this filter is an inside filter, not an external filter. As you can see, it can work on marine fish tank, fresh water fish tanks. It has a minimum capacity of 220 liters per hour and a maximum of almost 600 liters per hour. And the maximum tank you can have is a 200 liters tank. Mine is actually 128 liters with plants and corridors and neon tetras. So this fish filter is actually a great one. It's known to be really silent. I'm going to show you the characteristics of the box. So as you can see, you can have a small one, and you can have the bigger one. So you have the dimensions in millimeters, and there you go. You have the inner capacity of the filter, which is 470 centimeters cube, and like I said before, the liters per hour and the capacity of the tank that it can handle. So I'm gonna show you everything that was inside the box. So everything is there. You have the manual, you have the warranty, you have the suction cups to put behind the filter right there, and you have a venturi. So this is the thing you put on top of the filter right there. If you want to put some bubbles when the water goes out, so if you want bubbles to go out of your filter, you just put this on top. So then you have the supports for the suction cups to put them right in the back of the filter. So I'm gonna open this, put everything on the filter, and I'm gonna show you how to put the supports on the suction cups, my bad. And that's it. I'm just gonna show it to you. Okay, so you can see on the manual what's inside of the filter and how it works. So you can see all the parts of the Eheim. So if you already have one and you ask yourself without the manual what's inside, you have pretty much everything that's in. So I said I was gonna show you how to put the supports on the suction cups. So you have 4 supports like this and 2 small supports like this. So just to put them inside the suction cup, you just take this part, you press on the suction cup. So I'm gonna try to film it from below with this one. So you put it right inside like this. You press like a crazy guy, and there you go, it's in. So I'm gonna put all 4 of them inside of my at the back, of my filter, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Then I'm gonna open the filter and show you everything that's in it. Okay, so there you go. You have pretty much the back of the filter. You can put your cables in. So these 2 end supports, these are only there to cut, like to block the parts for the fish not to get in. So if you put your cable like this, I'm gonna show you, like this, on the top of your tank. So if you want the cable to go on the top above, you just put the 2 sections right here. And if you want your cable to go on the left, you put it on top. So it's only the best way for you to keep fishes out of this small section. So for this test and for my tank, I'm just gonna put it on the top. So there you go. It's blocked for fishes. And I'm pretty much sure, yeah, the shrimps can't go inside. It's really small. It's like less than 1 millimeter, I think. So there you go. I'm gonna put all the suction cups at the back. I think I'm gonna put like 2 of them. There you go. Just clips in. As you can see, I just put it vertically and I just put it in. So I'm gonna try to do it again on camera. There you go, now it's stuck. So you do this for all 4 of it. If I can remove it from my table, because it's really tight and stuck really good. So there you go, I put it on the back too. There you go, and the last one, I'm gonna put it too on top, if I can remove it like I said before. As you can see, it's really strong. Okay, there you go, I have it. These are Eheim, so these are the brand suction cups. So as you can see, these are really good quality suction cups. So I can lift the filter with my suction cup, so it's really good quality. And also you have, like I said before, the venturi, that's how we say it in my language. So it's not a glass or I don't know, it's just an air tube. So I won't put it on my tank because I have CO2 and a lot of plants and I don't need oxygen at all, but I'm just gonna show you how to plug it in. So you just press, turn, press, turn, press, turn, like this. And there you go, you have your suction cup right there on the top. So now that I'm done, I'm just gonna open the filter and show you everything that's in it. Okay, there you go, the filter is almost entirely disassembled. So you have a small, it's a small porosity. Okay, I think it's great to filter the water. So there you go, you have the inner parts of the filter. You have the rotor. As you can see on the manual, wait, where is it? Okay, it's right there. So you have the impeller, you have a small stick, a metal stick. Yeah, it's a metal stick, and the 2 parts that block the rotor to move. So you can see it right there. So you have the impeller or the rotor. It's not doing any noise, like as you can see. Okay, it's not making that much noise, and you can see if I zoom in that it's not, it's fat. You see, like it's not dirty, it's just really clean. And I think they put on Vaseline or stuff. So there you go, you have pretty much everything that's inside the filter. So you have venturi, you have the back, okay, with the suction cups. You have the top that can be entirely opened if you want to clean the inner parts. There you go. And you also have the sponge and what's inside here. So I'm gonna clean everything and show you what it looks like in the tank. Okay, so now the filter is clean and wet like my hands are. So you don't have a lot of space. That's not a good point for real, because as you can see, you don't have enough space to put others filtrations, you know. So you can't put ceramic or stuff because it's just gonna press on that and it's not really good for the flow. So I hope that this filter is really good. I think it's better for goodly planted. So we're back in the bedroom with the tank. So that's what it looks like. That's what the tank looks like. There you go. So that's my tank. As you can see in the back, you can pretty much see it, but with the plants growing, it's gonna just hide it in the back like this. So yeah, you see in the back right there, I can put a filter and nothing is gonna like, you won't see the filter. Okay, so I'm just gonna plug it in for the first time and see which noise it's making. So I'm gonna put it like this. I'm gonna try to still film it. Okay, so there you go. So you have in the back. I'm gonna plug it. Okay, you Give me a second. Okay, there you go. So, are you ready? Let's go. Well, you can't even hear it. Wow, that's insane. Okay, so you have the flow in action. So you can see that it's pushing everything to the back right there. So there's a good flow because you can see it's doing a round thing like this. So the filter is literally perfect. So my tank is 120 centimeters long, so it's quite big. There's 40 neon tetras. There is 5 Neritina snails, like these ones here. And there are, I think, 14 corridors. So there are a lot of plants to filter it all. So I'm just gonna put the camera right in front so you can hear. So the noise is almost inexistent. So you can hear that in the first plug, it's not making any noise, any sort of noise with bubbles. So that's like 10 seconds of work. I'm gonna let it run for, I think, 2 or 3 hours, and I'll catch you back to show you the remains, like the noise. There you go. So you have my CO2 system right there. If you want a video about my CO2 system, just tell me in the comments and I will do one. So there you go. That's my tank again. Big tank. There you go. So I'll catch you back in a few hours. So for you it's like 3 seconds to show you the noise. And I repeat, I'm in a bedroom and it's completely silent. I can't even hear it. That's insane. So if you hear any noise, it's my computer running behind me, because I'm doing the noise thing again. My phone is almost inside the wall right now. There's literally no noise. And my tank is on a small pad, which is 2 millimeters. So I think if you put a big one, like half a centimeter, you will hear not even one vibration. So there you go. So that's the end for me, and I'll catch you in a few hours, like I said. See you right now. And if you want to have the maximum flow, which is 570 liters per hour, you just take this, you lift it, and there you go. You have the maximum flow on your tank, which is, like I said, 570 liters per hour. To conclude on this filter is literally one of the greatest internal filter I've ever seen since I started keeping fishes. I've tried at least 10 internal filters and external filters on my tanks. I have 11 tanks in my bedroom. I've tried so many filters. I do not recommend fish filters and other brands, other Chinese brand. I bought this filter for 50 euros and it's literally one of the best I've ever had. The noise is not present. There's no noise. It's noiseless. The flow is great. You can see the fishes swimming right to the flow, so it shows that there's flow. The flow is literally insane. You can see the lace moving, the bubbles moving and stuff. You can see everything's moving. Okay, you can see. So I recommend this filter if you have a bedroom. I hope you have a bedroom, but I mean, if you have a filter in your bedroom, I hope and I want you to buy this one. I hope that you get this filter, because this filter is literally the greatest filter of all time, the greatest internal filter of all time. The noise is not present. I'm gonna make a final noise test with the maximum flow after 2 hours, 30 minutes and 45 seconds, like I said. You cannot hear anything. Nothing. You can't hear anything. So I hope you liked this video. If you want other videos about other fish filters, about fishes, about plants, about how to keep shrimps, just tell me. I have so many fish tanks. I have 11 fish tanks. I breed corridoras. If you want videos about how to breed corridoras, just tell me. I hope you liked this video. I liked doing it. This is my first video on this channel. And yeah, so this filter is actually noiseless. It's really good, a really high flow. I recommend it for everyone. So have a nice day and bye bye.